We're good.
Iron Eagle.
We are rolling. We're rolling with the E-flite Cessna 150. We're going to fly the snake. We are going to fly the snake. What I like about this plane is its size and color. Pretty easy to follow, so that's good. Hey Roger, you got this as a wreck, right?
Yeah.
Basically it was...
From RC Geek.
Oh, okay, so Chris, okay.
Flying inverted limbo with it.
Oh, yeah.
And hit a pole.
When down becomes up.
I guess.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, this is just a nice flying airplane. It really, really is. Uh-oh. Got some flap action going on here.
Touch and go from the left.
All right.
Maybe.
Maybe. If it wants to come down, these things just float. I mean, they really do. Nice. Nice. Flies like a Cessna 150. Yeah. I mean, the standard, one of the standard full-scale trainers in the world, really. Cessna 150. Nice, Roger, nice. Nice constant descent. Nice approach. Good landing. Again, we're back in St. George, Utah, where it's been a little wet lately, so there's been a lot of bugs out, and normally there's no bugs in the desert, and we're all being eaten alive, so
bugging.
Yeah. Oh, nice one, Roger. And this plane was the right price too, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
It's like you got it at the scratch and dent aisle. Whoop, just lost her for a second. But this just goes to show you that with these foamies, the main benefit to a foamy is that it could be banged up pretty bad.
Yeah, they hit a fence post with
but little Gorilla Glue and epoxy and some toothpicks and whatever else, and some bamboo skewers, and next thing you know, it's back to its former self, mostly. Of course, you repainted it too, right, Roger?
Yeah,
a lot of it.
In the Iron Eagle color.
Yeah.
Had Callie do the numbers.
Oh, right. Okay. Okay. Our friend Callie.
I've since busted the nose gear, and
yeah.
so I don't have the nose gear pant.
I mean, it's a good-looking plane. You did a great job on the repair. Oh, there you go. There you go. That's the one you ended on right there. Gee willikers. I like it. I like it. E-flite Carbon-Z Cessna 150. This one's flying on a 6-cell battery. We're spending a nice calm morning here with Rodger Hecht. Good looking ship. Thanks, Rodger. Beautiful. Great job, my friend. Great job. All right, and we are at the St. George Electric Fest. It's actually the John Morgan Electric Fun Flight. Look at her glisten. Look at her glisten. And the crowd slowly builds. This is on a Thursday morning. So in any event, hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers. And all the best from St. George, Utah, as the crowd gathers. Thanks for watching, everybody.